Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. Today's video is on this beautiful client. I posted a pics of this look and you guys said you want the full video, so I decided to make a second one because I lost many clips on the other one. So yeah, please, if you haven't subscribed, don't know what you're waiting for, please subscribe, click the subscribe button and join the family. And also would like you guys to share this video to friends and family, comment and give this video a huge thumbs up. The first thing to do is to wipe the face with a face wipe or baby wipes, because I actually use baby wipes, it's better. And then apply moisturizer, and this is called Black Opal moisturizer. We'll go in with Pond's face primer before applying Afterglow. We'll leave all the details of this product in the description box below in case you don't get to hear the names of the product very well. I'm actually applying all this product first just to prepare the skin for foundation. You don't want to apply foundation on the bare skin because foundations are mostly chemicals, so yeah. For the glow, it's because I want her skin to be glowing after I'm done, but you can either mix the Afterglow with her foundation or apply it on its own. Using standard foundation brush and Maybelline foundation in classic tan, we'll use the brush to apply the foundation first before I go in with a beauty blender, which will help me blend the foundation better.
We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a ride, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. Savannah, we'll never be alone, Savannah.
For highlighting, we'll use LA Girl concealer in cream beige. This is like 2 to 3 shades lighter than her skin tone. You can either use 1, 2 or 3 shades lighter than your client's skin to highlight. After applying it with a brush, I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend it better, and then use the part I used to blend the foundation to blend the both ends where the foundation and the concealer meet, so that there won't be any harsh lines. Now, if you guys can tell the way I highlighted the nose, this is because I don't usually contour. I don't usually do the contouring or use a dark shade to contour the nose. I prefer to use her shade of foundation, so it will give me that natural look.
Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a ride, Savannah.
applying the concealer, we'll go in with a loose powder, and this is my favorite. I love this because it gets the job done for me. It's called Sacha Butter Cup. We'll use it to set where I apply the concealer so they won't crease. Always have it at the back of your mind that anytime you apply any liquid makeup, especially foundation and concealer, you have to set it so that there won't be any creasing.
Kids across the lane, Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah, we'll never be alone, Savannah, the beauty of the world, Savannah, let's all take a walk, Savannah.
For brows, I'm going to use Airwoman first before I will go in with Hegia and Esther brow filler to fill in the brows, and we'll do this very lightly. To clean up the brows, I'm going to use Malani concealer in color 2, and then for the top part of her brows, I'm going to use her shade of foundation.
Savannah, we'll never be alone, Savannah. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day.
To set our eyebrows, we'll use kuddy setting gel, doing this just to make the brows look very natural and last throughout the day.
Let's jump in and I hear my name, grasping into a light.
For eyeshadow, we use debbyluster and Nubian Beauty eyeshadow palette, but first we'll start with debbyluster eyeshadow palette. We'll first use orange color as her transition color, then we'll go in with a wine red color that will add color to her outer V. For the crease, I'm going to use Tara eyeshadow primer. This is just to make the lid eyeshadow pop.
Let's all take a
I'm going to use Nubian Beauty eyeshadow in Binta. It's an orange color. I really love the pigmentation of these eyeshadows. Then we'll use a light color from debbyluster eyeshadow palette on the tear dots.
Lion's gonna come, the birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land.
Use benign glitter glue and two different glitters, dark orange and white. I always like to apply the glitters before eyeliner and eyelashes. This is because of fallout.
Kids across the lane, Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah, we'll never be alone, Savannah, the beauty of the world, Savannah, let's all take a walk, Savannah.
So as I'm applying the glitters, I'm also blending the two colors so that there won't be any demarcation. Using Hegia and Esther eyeliner, we'll also use the applicator to wing line her eyes.
Let's all take a walk. Savannah.
So I went ahead to apply false lashes on her eyes off camera. So now we'll blend out the loose powder and set the foundation I applied before with a powder, and this is called Tara powder. I so love this powder. I tried using other brands powder palettes, but they were not giving me that perfect finishing. That's why I'm still sticking to this. But if you know any, please you can recommend. I will really appreciate.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Like the eyeshadow I used on her outer V on the waterline, so it will complement the look. Then we'll go in with a mascara.
Savannah.
Lips, I'm using classic red lipstick and Nuban Beauty pink lip stain. So I went on to set her face off camera with Nubian Beauty setting spray. Yeah, it's time for Gilly. I wanted to tie a round Gilly, but I found out that the Gilly was not long enough for me to tie, so I decided to tie a very simple Gilly. Let's fold the Gilly into two and then we'll fold it into four just to get where to place the Gilly on her head. Then we'll fold the tip of the Gilly into three planes and place it on her head. Just watch the way I'm folding it in the background.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a
Ask her to help me hold it ear to ear. We'll take the longer part around her head the second time, and while doing so we'll create more planes.
never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
Creating planes, we tie it at the back of her head like so. Then we'll try to arrange the Gilly in front and at the back.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
we have come to the end of this long video. I'm so sorry that this video is too long. Thank you guys for watching it to the end and hope it's helpful. Please share this video, subscribe if you haven't, give this video a big thumbs up, and thanks once more. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Take a stand